Okay, good afternoon, everybody. How are you? I can see all of you all ready. Oh, I can see, mashallah, Rafia, you are ready. Namira is ready. But we have some time. How are you all? I just have few people so I can say interact with you, isn't it? Officially, thank you and welcome once again to the program that we call the Hub Schooling. And this is my friend. I think most of you attended the SDG quiz. Who knows him, right? Yeah, the winners. I think most likely the winners know him. Where are my winners? There is Muazzam and Yahya. Yeah, see, I can see them smiling and the entire thing. This man is Thanos, right? You know Thanos? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yes. So
Yes.
we are learning that Thanos wanted to do something called the snap. Do you know what the Thanos snap is?
Yeah.
Thanos
Yes.
wanted to. I love my toys. I've got a collection of Black Panther, and you can compete with it. But anyway, let me put Mr. Thanos out here, and we are saying that Thanos snap is not so important. Yahya, can you mute yourself, please? So we are saying what is important is you all have to do your work for the climate activism. And that is this quiz all about. This quiz is about your role in what we can do about it. Simple, before even we go to theories and lessons, this quiz is on this simple concept called the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals. What are the Sustainable Development Goals? There are 17 goals on sustainable development, and we are going to do 30 quiz questions. No, you can actually switch off your cameras. It's okay with everybody, and as long as you can, you're muted, because this quiz is all about answering. I'll tell you before we go into the quiz. I'm going to tell you the rules of the quiz. Very important. Just 5 simple rules, but these rules are the most important. Hold on. Oh, did I go one step ahead? Don't worry. Number one, all of you should have a piece of a paper. That's all. It could be line, rule, as long as it is a paper, not like my paper with all answers written, a paper that is blank, and pen. Pencils are not allowed, because while as much as I believe you are SDG ambassadors, you are trustworthy, but we're saying no, pencils are not important, pens are important. If you are brothers and sisters, I don't mind if you become one team. It's absolutely okay. Not your parents, but brothers and sisters and others. You can compete with one another. I'll be very proud of you. I know some of you, but whatever is fine with you. Next, rule number 2, we're going to have 30 questions in the next 40 minutes. Yes? Now, after the questions are over, we will do a self-evaluation. For that, I need you to have a different color pen or a sketch pen. After you finish your evaluation, I will tell you to write down your score on top of your answer sheet. And then if you finish the cutoff is done, you have to send us the score at this number. So right now you have to do 2 things. Write this mobile number at top of your answer sheet so that you don't have to ask me. Go ahead. Anyone have a question? You can use your chat and you can ask me around that thing. So I want you to write your name, your mobile number, your age. So if the 2 of you are friends, only one of you can write the name and age, fine with me. But your name, your mobile number, and your age also on the paper, and also write down this number for reference, because I think most of us might say, so what number should I have to send the WhatsApp to? Just do that, right? I'll give you some time to write, don't worry. Okay, good. Why am I going to my first question? I think my
Sir,
yes, tell me, go ahead.
um, do we have to write on top of the sheet or bottom of the sheet?
Top of the sheet is good enough. Go ahead. If you have space at the bottom, I don't mind, as long as it is on the same face. Yeah, as long as it is on the same face, same side of the paper, that's all I want you to write. All right. Last thing, last rule, no scribbling. Don't worry, this quiz will not give you the coronavirus, so enjoy your quiz, smile, and let's have fun. Trust me, by the end of the quiz, you will learn a lot of things about the world around. I will give you 2 minutes for any questions to ask, but I think this is very simple. You can just go ahead, write down these things, and we are ready for the quiz.
You have to write our mobile number also.
Yes, your mobile number also.
Okay.
Your name, your mobile number, and your mobile number, your father or mom's mobile number, and your age. And then I want you to write this number for reference. Okay, this. Everybody, mute yourself again, please. Good. Can you put a thumb if you're done? Yeah, we'll wait for some time. Give me a thumbs up, and then we'll take your time. Don't worry.
Sir, this is perfect.
Don't worry, I will not be able to see all your screens. It's good enough. Go ahead, take your time. Go ahead. It's okay. Absolutely fine. Even after some time, if you need help, I'll help you.
Okay, sir.
I think my Munib Mohammed Salah is all confident. He's ready to go, isn't it? Wow. Come on, my friends. All right. I'll give you 30 seconds more. Some of you are very young. You can take your mom and dad. Are we ready to play the SDG quiz? Let's go and get started. Now every question has 3 answers. Option 1, option 2, option 3. You have to write the answer, not ABC, okay? You don't have to write ABC. You have to write the word. For example, if the answer is, let's say something like Google Earth. So you should write Google Earth. Okay, so some of you, I can see little young ones, you can take your sisters and brothers help, but all of you all set for my first round, which I call the SDG round. I've got 10 questions. Don't unmute, keep yourself muted. And your first question, we start here, is this. Eric Yuan is the founder of which popular company? Please do not answer, just write on your paper. This is SDG goal number 9.
Sir, what is the question?
Please, Humaira, I'll repeat. Thank you, beta. Eric Yuan is the founder of which company? It's on your screen. I hope you all can see the screen, right? Faisal, keep confirming that. Eric Yuan is founder of a very popular company that we are using. Maybe you all have used it. Is it Meet, as in Google Meet? Is it Zoom, or is it Microsoft WebEx? Meet, Zoom, or WebEx? Write one and write down the answer. That's all.
Switch to speaker's view to see the screen. See the speaker's screen. Do not go to gallery view. Switch to speaker's view, please.
All right. Are we good? Question number 1 is simple question. Write down 1 and write down the answer. Question number 2. This popular Chinese app was recently banned from the Indian App Store. We Indians have banned a lot of Chinese apps. In that, isko bhi humne ban kiya. I want the name of this app. Is it TikTok? Is it KitKat? Or is it Knock Knock? TikTok, KitKat, or Knock Knock? I'm sure Amina knows the answer in her dreams also. So this is goal number 8. We are looking at our own economic growth, and India will have more apps.
Repeat the question.
Yeah, I'll repeat the question, Aisha. This popular Chinese app was banned from India. Our Play Store, our App Store, they banned it. Is it TikTok? Please mute yourself first. Is it TikTok? Is it KitKat, or Knock Knock? All right. I think you've got the question.
But do Indians still use it?
Muni, will take that in the answer round, okay? First, just go ahead and answer. Everybody, please mute yourself again, Faisal.
Yes, go ahead, Dalway. You got to unmute. Okay, just a moment.
Muted.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Absolutely. All right. My question number 3 is this. This is the only 2 questions which may be a little difficult, but don't worry. You have to guess also. An English surgeon, he pioneered antiseptic surgery. So sometime when you get hurt, you put haldi. Now he pioneered how you put antiseptic surgery. He's also known as father of modern surgery. Because of him, we have named something we use in a bathroom on his name. Okay. So what is that? What is the name of the person and what is that thing? He is the father of modern surgery. On his name, we have something we use in our bathrooms. Hint number A is William Colgate as Colgate toothpaste. Number 2, it is King Gillette as in Gillette razor. Number 3, it is Joseph Lister as in Listerine mouthwash. You can only write Colgate, Gillette, or Listerine in your answers, whatever you think. This is goal number 3, good health and well-being. I hope you all are doing at least 2 definitely. We don't want you to do your razor right now. And also the special 10 days going on. So Colgate, Gillette, or Listerine. This surgeon is known as the father of modern surgery. Question number 4, again on good health, is something to do with eyes. You know, conjunctivitis is the inflammation of the eye. When your eye becomes red, this was supposed to be discovered in a government hospital in Chennai, which is, or you know, in Tamil Nadu. How do we know conjunctivitis in a common word? When somebody gets a red eye, what have they got? Have they got cataract, glaucoma, or Madras eye? Cataract, glaucoma, or Madras eye? This is goal number 3, good health and well-being. Is it cataract, glaucoma, or Madras eye? Moving to my 5th question, and don't worry if you miss out, I will give you a chance, I'll come back. But 5th question on industry, innovation, infrastructure, goal number 9, XAE A12 is the name of XAE A12 is the name of code name of James Bond. It is Elon Musk's son's name and new coronavirus. No, you only have to write the answers, right? Just write your answers. Put down 5 and write your answer. The 5th one is, this code is what? It is the code name of James Bond. So you can just write James Bond. You can write Elon Musk's son, or you can write new corona vaccine. So somebody has found a corona vaccine. Is this the corona vaccine? XAE A12 is a code name of what? James Bond, Elon Musk's son, or new corona vaccine? My next question, number 6, is this. Which Oscar-winning movie shows the South African team winning rugby when Nelson Mandela was the president? This South African movie shows the team winning the rugby trophy when Nelson Mandela was the president. What is the name of the movie? Invincible, Inception, or Invictus? Invincible, Inception, or Invictus? Remember, you cannot scribble. If you scribble, that answer is considered invalid. So please be very, very careful. I'm sorry, I cannot go back to any question. If you don't miss out, I'll give you a lot of time. Oscar-winning movie, name it, where Morgan Freeman was Nelson Mandela, Matt Damon was the captain. What is the name of the movie? Invincible, Inception, or Invictus? Question number 6, I'm repeating many times so that you can write down, take your time, no pressure, you're learning a lot of things. Invincible, Inception, or Invictus? Question number 7. Question number 7. This day, 20th of March, is celebrated to raise awareness for one type of bird. This special day is celebrated for awareness for this bird. Is it the sparrow? Is it the penguin? Is it the eagle? Is it the sparrow? Is it the penguin? Is it the eagle? Simple. 20th March. What bird? Sparrow, penguin, eagle. Write down that answer on your... All right. Question number 8. By the way, the previous one was goal number 15, life on land. This is goal number 10, reduce inequality. Every question is on SDG goal. This is a very special person. This person was a villain in the Dabangg movie. He was a villain in the Dabangg movie. You have to write the full answer. Okay? But this is not about movies. It is about news. You have to, somebody is saying, so it is about the news. If you're not watching the news, you're missing out on some really important answers. So you have to tell me this actor's name who's helping the migrant laborers and students who are reaching home. He's doing some brilliant work. Who is he? Paresh Rawal, Sonu Sood, or Prakash Raj? Paresh Rawal, Sonu Sood, or Prakash Raj? A smart student knows his news. You have to write the full answer, the full name of the person. This is a very good work the actor's done. That is why it is goal number 10. reduce inequality. He's helping the migrant laborers who are stuck. He's arranging buses. Now he's making flight arrangements for students in Belarus, in Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, Indians who have been stranded there. What is his name? Paresh Rawal, Sonu Sood, or Prakash Raj? Simran, you don't have to write answers here, please. You have to write answers on the chat, on your answer paper. My ninth question is also on reduce inequality, something that is very, very popular going on in Bollywood now, about favoring the children of the actors. So there is a whole world going out there after the death of this talented actor. What is that word? Is it quarantine? It is cronyism, or is it nepotism? Is it quarantine, cronyism, or nepotism? I think it might be difficult words, but in the news, it is everywhere. What is the word that is used in Bollywood about favoring the children actor of famous actors? So it could be an actor's son or an actor's daughter getting all the roles. Is it quarantine? Is it cronyism, or is it nepotism? Again, it is about reduce inequality. We don't want such things to happen in any institute, any organization. Question number 10 on your screen for all the football lovers. In the beginning of the June, this English football team won the Champions League. I can see smile on your faces. Is it Tottenham Hotspur, Liverpool, or Man City? Is it Tottenham Hotspur, Liverpool, or Manchester City? You can write Man U, I'll accept it if you have to think that that's the right answer. Is it Tottenham Hotspur, is it Liverpool, or is it Manchester City? All of Salah fans out there, you know your answers, I'm sure. This brings us to the end of round number 1. That is the first round of this quiz. And hopefully we have finished our 10 questions. These are the SDGs. I will take a break. I will talk to you for 2 minutes, and then we'll go to round number 2. Keep your answers with you. Hold on to the answers. Don't reveal the answers yet. We are doing good, hopefully, on the time. Before we go, one announcement. I'll keep doing announcement for the events that are going to happen. Number 1 event that is happening, it is a huge initiative called the Hub Schooling. What we are doing after Eid, and in the first week of August, we are starting an e-school, an online school, but this will be very different from your regular school. We will have a lot of activities around science. So we might learn about, say, gravity or electricity, or we'll talk about Mars. We want you all to be part of this. You can look at the numbers below. I will send you that in the different groups. You have these numbers are the same number that you're getting the answers to right now. Please, if you ask us about it, and we'll be more than happy to tell you what Hub Schooling is all about. You want to be researchers and scientists, Hub Schooling is a place for you. All right. So I've stopped sharing the screen. First round was good enough. I think you did a good job. Can I go on to my second round? Are you all ready? Faisal, is that good enough? All right. So with Faisal sir telling me okay, let me go to my round number 2. Now my round number 2 is a little complicated. So when I share that with you, I'll explain to you what my round number 2 is about. Again, it is about SDGs. And remember, this is our SDG quiz. You can write round 2 and 1 to 10 again. Okay. You can write it as if, so you can write a different column, or you can write below it. It does not matter. All right. You remember 30 questions. So you can make 3 columns, or you can write round 2 and write 1 to 10 again. Don't have to write 11, 12, 13. Now this round is a round I call the odd one out. What you mean by that is you have to make your best judgment. All of you boys and girls listening, there is no right and wrong answers. I have made a judgment based on the SDG. Now the SDG will give you a hint, a clue. Make a judgment and write the answer. Again, not ABC, write the word for me. All right. I will tell you the first one. I will give you a hint in the first one, and you have to make a best judgment of what it is about. Right then. Which is the odd one out in these 3 things? I'll tell you what these 3 things are. Remember, the SDG goal is responsible consumption. The first one is a paper bag. paper bag. Second one, leather bag. Leather bag. Third one, plastic bag. Okay, which is the odd one out in this? You have to learn about responsible consumption, something that is not destroying the environment or something else, living things. So goal number 12, is it the paper bag, leather bag, or plastic bag? Write your answers, don't tell me. Write your answers. I'll give you 1 minute to write your answer. We are doing good on time. Paper bag, leather bag, or plastic bag. It's okay if you don't write the word bag, but make sure you write paper, leather, or plastic. I am going to my goal number 2. My question number 2 now on your screen is this. This is on good health. This is a little tricky, okay? Which is the odd one out? And your hint is seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Your hint is seeds. Is it strawberry, apple, or watermelon? Is it strawberry, apple, or watermelon? You know the hint I told you. All of 3 will give you good health, right? So this is goal number 3, good health. Hint is seeds, strawberry, apple, or watermelon. Write down your answers. Round 2, answer number 2. Is it strawberry? Is it apple? Or is it watermelon? Question number 3 is clean, affordable and clean energy, goal number 7. You see, there is like a renewable source of energy and a sun inside. So which is the odd one out? Is it candle? Is it bulb? Or is it a torch? Hint is goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. Is it candle, bulb, or torch? Candle, bulb, or torch? Candle, bulb, or torch? I'll repeat one more time. Which is the odd one out? Candle, bulb, or torch? 10 seconds more and I'll move down to my next question. All right, my question number 4 on your screen is this. The goal is goal number 5, gender equality. It's a very easy one. And your options are Queen, Rustam, Kahani. Spelling mistakes are okay. Don't worry about spellings. Queen, Rustam, or Kahani. The goal is gender equality. The goal is boys and girls, gender equality. What is the odd one out? Queen, Rustam, or Kahani? Queen, Rustam, or Kahani? Don't worry, I'll not ask you to sing a song, right? So you all can smile, Sufyan. Yes, Juwaria. That's nice. Usman, I love your dress. It's wonderful. Right. So I give you 5 seconds more. Queen, Rustam, or Kahani? Number 5. Number 5. Safia loves this question. I know that. Which is the odd one out? First flag. It is now goal number 17. Friends. Countries have to friend. What are the countries? I'll tell you. Don't worry. It is Argentina, CAR, Central African Republic. You can write CAR for it, CAR. Or the third one is Denmark. Which is the odd one out? Is it Argentina? Is it Central African Republic, CAR? You can write CAR, CAR. Or is it Denmark? Argentina, CAR, or Denmark? Argentina, CAR, in Africa. You can write Africa also, or Denmark. Which is the odd one out? There is a reason for that. You have to find out. All right, Atif's done it. Most of you are doing great, I think. I hope Ahmed and Amina and Muazzam are doing good on the quiz. Ibrahim and Yahya's. All right. Argentina, CAR, or Denmark. Question number 6, life below water. Goal number 14. Here we go. Fish frog or orca? It's a orca or a killer whale? Fish, frog or orca? What is odd one? What is not fitting in the picture? That's what an odd one is. Something is not fitting in the picture, live below water. You could go right, but the answers have to be, you have to predict this, right? This is, the hint is babies. The hint is babies for you. Like I gave you the hint before, the hint is babies. Fish, frog or orca, the killer whale. I hope you've seen the movie Free Willy, right? That's the one. Fish, frog or orca, which is the odd one out? Question number 7. I love this question. 3 lovely animals. Goal number 15, life on land. Which is the odd one out? Rhino, don't write rhinoceros. Rhino, koala, don't write koala bear, just koala, or crocodile. Rhino, koala or crocodile. Which is the odd one out? Rhino, koala or crocodile? All right, good going. I hope Farhana, Saklain, Hamza, everyone's doing good. Ex-champions. All right, are we going good? Don't worry, we'll get the answers. We'll have some fun when we do the answers, and we'll bother Faisal sir to all the checking. All right, which is the odd one out? I'm going to paste it up. Goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. You have to think which one is affordable and clean energy. Window, mirror or glasses. Glasses as in specs. You can write glasses, it's easy. Window, mirror or glasses. Odd one out. Window, mirror, glasses. I think all the Monday Curies can know the answer. They've been learning about light and transparent and translucent and opaque. You can ask the Curies if they're around. Windows, mirror or glasses. That's your question number 7. Question number 8. Did I miss some question? Yeah, question number 8. I'm sorry. That was question number 8, goal number 7. We are going to next question, which is the odd one out. That is goal number 2, zero hunger. Carrot, egg or fish? Simple. Which is the odd one out? Carrot, egg or fish? Everybody keep yourself muted, please. All right, I see everyone done the right. Omar is done, Hamza is done. I'm happy with it. The last question of this round is, which one is the odd in this books you see or people you see? 16 goal. Is it Harry Potter? Is it good economics, or is it I am Malala? You can write Harry, you can write good, or you can write Malala. Easy one. Harry, good economics or Malala. Which is the odd one out? Harry, good economics or Malala. You can write one word and we will okay that. Harry, good economics and Malala. All right, there we are. This brings us to the end of the second round. We have learned so many about goal SDGs. Even if you remember one, even if you just know the word SDG, I think you are going to do brilliant in the world coming back. As again, a quick announcement again about the hub schooling that we will be starting after Eid. It is a dream that Steve Jobs had of school on cloud. A lot of you are learning online. I know a lot of you learning in Golden Sparrows. So this is for those who are not a part of Golden Sparrow. Go back and enjoy what the world of experiments, fiction writing, what it can do. One more announcement for all of you. Tomorrow 4 o'clock, we have a free session on drama and theater. This man was the police commissioner as an actor in all the movies we've seen. So hopefully we'll have a fun session with him tomorrow 4 o'clock. Again, I'll give you the details after this. So we've come back to the end of round 2. Faisal sir, are we doing good? Yeah, all the friends are competing. Aisha Kazi and Juwaria Waid wants to know who's doing better. Let's see. Humaira Qasim wants to know, is she better than Fatima Zohra? And Muazzam wants to know, is he better than Munib? We will find out. All right, we're going to do. Saad wants to know, is he better than me? Sufyan is not better than me, I know. Muhammad Saqib, you're doing good. Are you better than your friend Muhammad Muhammadi? We'll check out. All right. Okay, the last round is on to you. Everybody, I can see some young ones sign up. Hopefully you're enjoying the quiz. Namira, you're enjoying the quiz. I can see all smiling faces. Rafia, one of the first girls who came in. We'll just learn about the games. We'll learn about the quizzes. Let's go and do the last round. It's an easy round. Hopefully every round I say easy because I prepared it. We'll talk to you after the last round and we'll have fun after that. All the serious thing will be over. Now, this is a quiz on all the countries of the world. All right? The countries of the world quiz. No, don't worry. It's not a flag one. We will do a countries of the world SDG quiz again. So, which countries are we going? We'll find out in a first question. Okay, we are going to Brazil. This is goal number 8. Brazil produces the largest amount of what? Chocolate, cheese, or coffee? All with C. Brazil is the largest producer of chocolate, cheese, or coffee. Munib, can you say cheese? Yeah, I can see that. Wonderful. Like that? Yeah, that's Juaria Ironman says that, isn't it? Okay, chocolate, cheese, and coffee. Write down the answer. Write down round 3, 1. Okay? Write down round 3, first answer. My next question goes to Japan and goal number 9. Which was invented in Japan? Nintendo, scissors, or camera? You know, remember the Nintendo video game? You have no idea. All the PUBGs and Fortnite children, you have no idea what Nintendo is. Nintendo, scissor, or camera? Which was invented in Japan? I almost gave you the answer, isn't it? All right, doing good. I think we are doing good on a quiz, and not to take too long time, Umar is doing good. Fantastic. I'm excellent. Hafsa is competing with the elder one. Yahya, the ex-champion, is doing good. Zuhair, this is your round. All the countries of the world. Okay, I can see all of you. Fantastic. Third one takes us to climate change in Russia. Russia has the largest area in the world of what? Lakes, mountains, or forest? Russia has what in abundance? Lakes, mountains, or forest? Aquaman is doing good. Where is Abdullah? Where is my Iron Man and Thor's? Fauzan, all right. I am seeing Fauzan. Lovely t-shirt. Inaya, Humeras. There are 3 Humeras I can see. Lakes, mountain, and forest. All of you are so busy. Question number 4. Let's go to Italy. You know, Italy was the worst hit in Corona. Goal number 3, good health. We are talking about what is the most popular sport in Italy. Today, Italy is doing very good. They've come back from all the Corona problem. Tennis, football, or swimming? What is very, very popular in Italy? Zayan, good going. Tennis, football, or swimming? My 5th question of this round, and this round we're going fast, it's easy. This is fun question on quality education. You know, we have a lot of movies and games and things around it. This character comes from Norway. Which one? Pixie, gnomes, or trolls? Pixie, people with big ears. Gnome, small, you know, dwarf-like thing. Trolls with again big nose. Which one comes from Norway's folklore? Norway's story gave us this. Pixie, gnomes, or trolls? If you have read enough of Enid Blyton, you will know the answers. Everybody keep yourself muted. All right, here we are, going good. Pixies, gnomes, or trolls? My question number 6 on your screen is this. Mexico, and we had Roberto, our friend from Mexico, who came and spoke to you. Which of the food did not originate in Mexico, okay? Did not come from Mexico. Which one? Mozzarella. Mozzarella is cheese, so you can write mozzarella. Tacos, burritos. You can see the name itself, mozzarella. Tacos, burritos. Mexicans speak this way. Mozzarella, tacos, burritos, which is not from Mexico. All right. Mozzarella, tacos, and burritos. This is about zero hunger. Goal number 6 from Mexico. We're going all over the world, aren't we? We're doing great on time. We got 4 questions left, and we got almost good enough 5 minutes for finishing this round, and then we'll do self-evaluation. All right, one of my favorite movies, Madagascar, Life on Land. This animal is only found in Madagascar and nowhere else. Which one? Fox, lemur or squirrel? Fox, lemur or squirrel? All right. Good enough. Fox, lemur or squirrel, goal number 15. Question number 8. Iceland is the home of 200. 200 of what in Iceland? Volcanoes, rivers or railway lines? Iceland is famous for these. 200 of it in Iceland. Volcano, river or railway line? Volcanoes, rivers and railway line. I think all of you are taking time. Writing, Hamza's done. Good enough. Good enough. I can see most of you. Fawzan's done. Okay, all right. Only 2 questions left for finishing SDG quiz. Here we go. Jamaica. This is peace and justice. What is famous from Jamaica? Folk song, jazz or reggae? You can see the person, you know the answer. Jamaica. You can see someone who looks like Faisal sir. Folk song, jazz or reggae? Shall I pin up Faisal sir for hint? Folk song, jazz or reggae? It is from Jamaica. All right, go ahead. You can make guesses because all of them are options. Folk, jazz, reggae. 9th question, peace and justice. We are calling people together and we understand each country's culture. All right. Last question on the SDG quiz is from South Africa, Life on Land. This is the name of a South African team. Lions, wildebeest or springbok? Lion, wildebeest or springbok? So that's a 10th question. Take your time, write down the answer. Lion, wildebeest or springbok? And those are your 30 questions of the world around us. Hopefully you've done something amazing. We will go back, give you some time to review your answers. Fiction writing is what we will be doing in the Hub School. Hub Schooling is all about SDGs, the quizzes, the writing part, the creative part, and hopefully you enjoyed it. The quiz is over so far. Now I want you to, all of you, to take a deep breath with me. Fun quiz, all of you? That's a big breath, Juwaria, you took. Saina took a big breath also. Abdullah, my favorite student, did that. Simra did a good work. Now, change your pen, okay? Now we're going to solve the quiz with all of you, and I know you are trustworthy, all right? You will do your own solving, but change your pen. You will have to change your pen. The other pen has to be thrown away. Remove your pen, get a new sketch pen or a crayon or a different pen. Go, take a minute and come back and we will do our own solving. Right. Yes, fantastic, Zuhair. Great work. Hamza, get a pen. Yeah, get a pen. Usman, Humaira, Abdullah, and the ones I cannot see, Safiya. Great. Yes, fantastic. Aisha's. Yes, Atif. Go ahead. The one, Zayan. Fantastic. Go ahead. All of you have changed your pens. Great, Hamdan. Wonderful. The others who have not seen, Dina Bantu. Okay. The Patels. Everyone who is also not on the visible screen, I hope. Ibrahim, Ayan, yes, Mariam, Rushda, everyone, change your pen. I trust you, and that's how the quiz is all about. I'm going to start answering it, and you have to tell me if you got the answers right or wrong, okay? And then you can unmute yourself. We can have fun now. You can, I will tell you, maybe I can ask you to, tell your answers loudly. We'll see what answers are. When you get the answers, the right ones, you circle only the right ones, okay? Now that's how you do. You only circle the right ones and we'll count how many right did you get. Everybody's with me? All right? Faisal sir, you can unmute some of them after when they want to answer. You can raise your hand. Faisal sir will keep looking at you and we will start answering. Then you will send the best top answers will be sent to Faisal sir for your gifts and prizes. Are you there with me, everybody? Show me a thumbs up. Okay. First one, Eric Yuan is the founder of which company? Tell me, everybody. Zoom. All right. You are zooming your hand. Okay, I'm sorry. I know most of you told me the answer. This is a Zoom meeting. So Eric Yuan is the founder of Zoom. Circle the right answer. And do a, yes, circle the right answer. That's the way. That's the way. Good one. All right. This popular Chinese app. Who is going to tell me the answer? Humaira Qasim, do you know the answer? Faisal, can you unmute this girl, or I'll unmute the ones I see? And every round will keep changing. Go ahead, Humaira Qasim.
TikTok.
TikTok, not Kit Kat. All right, TikTok is the right answer. Good answer. Okay. Faisal sir will pick up who will give the third answer. Who is the father of modern surgery? Toothpaste, razor, or Listerine?
Okay, Fauzan.
Fauzan, unmute and go ahead.
Yes, sir. The
Fauzan.
answer is Joseph Lister.
Lister. Let me see if Colgate was the answer. Oh, no. Razor? No. Oh, yes, it's Listerine. Everybody who does mouthwash is Listerine. Sufyan, you don't do mouthwash and brushing, but still the answer is right. Good one, good one. Fauzan, great answer. That is Sufyan from Qatar who was referring to.
Answer.
He's my favorite boy. All right, great answer. Next question, who is going to go? Conjunctivitis is also called what? Can I go to Aisha Qazi? My turn. Aisha Qazi, unmute and speak up. Zuhair, I'll come to the world one to you. Don't worry.
Yes, Aisha Qazi. Okay.
Madrasai.
Madrasai, are you sure?
Yes.
Let us see. Wonderful, brilliant answer. Madrasai is the right answer. Keep circling, boys and girls. Keep circling. Very good. XEA12. Faisal sir, who is going to give the answer for this one?
I don't see. Okay, Aisha again.
No, hold on. We want someone else.
Okay,
going back.
Inaya will answer this.
Inaya, unmute yourself and go ahead.
Yes, Inaya.
Yeah, Inaya, tell me.
It's Elon Musk.
Are you sure? Let me try James Bond. No. Elon Musk's son. Right answer, Inaya. Very good. Brilliant. Good work going. Fantastic. All right. Which movie am I talking about? Who wants to answer that? All right. Can I go to... Okay, Safia Waid. Go ahead. Unmute and speak up.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Invictus.
Yeah.
Third one.
Third one, Invictus. Whoa, right answer. Wonderful. Great going. Brilliant. 20th March is celebrated as what? Okay, I can see Atif. Atif, go ahead. Atif, unmute and speak up. Shall I help you to unmute, Atif? 1 minute. Okay.
Eagle.
All right. Atif says eagle. Let me try eagle. Atif, no, not eagle. Muhammad Muhammadi wants to jump and tell the answer. Go ahead.
Sami.
Tell me your name and I'll go. Muhammad Muhammadi, I've unmuted
Yes,
you.
Muhammad Muhammadi.
Okay, let us try him. He is unmuting and we are muting him again. Go, Muhammad, again. Tell me, sorry. Nobody's touching your screen. Go ahead. We miss you, Muhammad. Ibrahim Rizwani, unmute and speak up. Can't unmute. 1 minute, Ibrahim. Don't touch. I will help you out.
Yes, Muhammad, speak.
Mute now.
Okay.
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Oh, if you had got it wrong, I would have come to your home to give you one sparrow there. Right answer. It's the sparrow. Golden sparrows cannot get that wrong. Brilliant answer. Fantastic. Rehan wants to answer the next one. Name the villain. Rehan, go unmute and speak up. Yeah, Rehan, go ahead. Okay, I'll help you, Rehan. Okay, Saina, I'll go after Rehan. I'll go to you. Rehan, yeah, you are unmuted. Go ahead.
Sonu Sood.
Sonu Sood. Rehan says the right answer. Fantastic. Good answer. Okay, Saina, this is for you. Go unmute and speak up. The Bollywood.
I think it's nepotism.
Oh, you think is the right answer. Nepotism is the answer. Doing very good. The last question of this one. Munib, I have to ask him only.
Liverpool.
Liverpool. Yo Salah. There you are. We are looking at Liverpool. How many of you got? All of you right. That's where you are. Good. I think most of you got a good one on the first round. Fantastic. Umar. Faisal, there are a lot of questions coming your way now. A lot of you have circled. Don't worry. It's okay. You have circled your answers.
I had a question.
Yeah, please ask. Yeah, go ahead.
The answer of the 8th number is Sonu Sood.
Yeah, it is Sonu
Yes.
Sood, right? Yes. Okay. So we are going back now to the second round, and hopefully we'll get some good answers. It's a mixed bag one, isn't it? It's an odd one out. Doing good, everybody. Faisal sir, we go to the second round here, and here is what we are going to do. Which is the odd one out? Who wants to answer this one?
Paper bag.
Somebody answered without their turn. I'm sorry, I'm not taking those answers. Hussain Mansoor, yeah, unmute and speak up, Hussain.
Plastic.
Plastic. Hussain, why do you say plastic?
Because everything is good for the environment except plastic.
Okay, anyone else with a different answer? Sana Farhat, want to answer? Sana?
Can I?
Okay, go ahead.
Can I?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes. Humaira, go ahead.
Can I?
Plastic bag.
Yes, Humaira.
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag. Okay. What about someone else wants to answer?
Can I? Can I answer?
Yes. Go ahead, Rafia.
Can I?
Yes.
Can Zohair answer?
Simra wants to answer. Simra, unmute and speak up. It's okay. When you say can I allow
Can
paper bag. Yeah, can I? Whoever's I say the answer. Please say the answer.
Me, can
Yes.
I? Can I, sir? Can I?
Yes, you may. You can.
Can I? Feather bag.
Okay, the answer is
Can I,
okay.
sir?
So now put your answers there. Circle
Paper
right
bag.
after. It has to be paper bag. Not plastic, not leather bag. Leather is also something which is about poaching and we killing animals, so not leather bag. You know, not all leather specifically, but right now the most environmental friendly bags are the paper bag. So the answer is paper bag. All right. The odd one out, we are saying odd one out is the paper bag. Everybody, please mute yourself again.
Rahul sir,
Yes.
the answer is paper bag or plastic bag?
Paper bag. Paper bag.
Paper bag,
Answer
right?
is paper bag. Yeah, Abdullah. Thank you. All right.
I thought it was plastic bag and I circled it.
Rahul bhai, I think whoever has written plastic bag should be given because paper bag and leather are biodegradable. Plastic is not. So
Okay, no, that is why we written possible answers, Faisal. Every answer could be an odd one out. But this is where we are looking at SDG. Please
Okay.
mute yourself, Aisha.
I think
Aisha
strawberry,
Siddiqa.
apple and it's what was it?
I want everyone to mute themselves. So I agree with Faisal sir that every answer could be right. That is the only difference you have. You will have to go into the mind of the SDG because right now we are saying use paper bag. I know Faisal is coming from, there is Usman here. Leather is good. I'm not against leather. Kolkata, coming from Kolkata, leather is not bad. But right now the answer was paper bag. We are endorsing the use of paper bag. You don't carry leather bag every day for shopping, right? Unless you're a very rich person like Faisal sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So the answer is only one. Yeah, only paper bag. Only.
To make paper bag, we have to cut trees.
Okay, all right. We use recycled paper. Abdullah Sajid, thank you so much. Very smart kids. Very smart kids. So use recycle, but that's the odd one out. The quiz master has a final say. I'm sorry, boys. Right. So the second question, which is the odd one out, again a tricky one. I gave you the hint called seeds. Who wants to try?
Apple. Can I? Can I?
Somebody. Okay.
Can Zohair answer? Me too. Can I? Watermelon.
I think.
Watermelon.
Please. I think we maintain a, everybody who's answering.
Can I, sir? Apple.
1 minute.
Watermelon.
Unfortunately, you all have again.
Strawberry.
Everybody was so disciplined in the first round.
Strawberry.
Please. Lost the discipline.
Rahul sir,
Strawberry.
I've not given the answer. Abdullah, wait. I've not given the answer yet.
Now can I tell?
Now I've muted every. Pull your names
Yes,
and I'll
sir.
tell. All right. Humaira wants to answer. Humaira Akiswala wants to answer. Someone who's been polite enough. So only I'm going to ask you and you will give the answer. So no canais now. I'm going to go to you. And unfortunately, if your video is off, we cannot go so much to you. Humaira wants to unmute and speak up. Go ahead. Unmute and speak up. Can you unmute? Okay, 1 minute. I'll help you unmute yourself. Go now. Go ahead. Speak.
It's strawberry.
Why do you say it's strawberry?
It doesn't have seeds.
Okay, strawberry has seeds, but seeds outside. That's the right answer. Strawberry is the answer I was looking for. Very well done. Excellent. So everybody, here is the answer. Strawberry is the answer because the seeds of strawberry are outside. All right. Which is the odd one out in this? No canines. I'm going to each one of you. I am going to someone who has not answered so far. Umar. Umar wants to unmute and answer, please. One minute, Umar. Don't touch the screen. I'm unmuting you. 1 minute. Go ahead. Tell me the answer.
Candle.
Candle is the right answer. Good, wonderful answer. It's the only natural source of energy. Others are, the race source. All right. Let me go to the next one. Did I go to the right one? Hold on. And all right, we're going to the fourth one. Who wants to give the answer? Can I go to Muhammad Sahib? Muhammad, unmute. Hold on.
Rustom.
Rustam? Like you said, like a real Parsi, Rustam is the answer. Muhammad, that's right. Others have all as female heroes. It's a good answer. Can I go quickly to Yahya Rizwani? Yahya Rizwani, unmute and speak up. I've unmuted you, Yahya. I cannot unmute you, Yahya. Can I run down to Namira? Unmute and speak up. Okay.
Car.
Car. Okay, she says car. No, Namira. Unfortunately, car is not the right answer. Go back and mute yourself, please. The answer is Denmark. The last one. The answer is Denmark. It is a top country. It's a European country. The other countries are struggling in working towards SDG. So the correct answer is Denmark. Okay, we are doing good. Which is the odd one out? Sarah Farhad Shiraz. Unmute and speak up.
Killer whale.
Killer whale is the right answer. The others lay eggs. Killer whale is a mammal. It has babies. I give you a hint called babies. That's the right answer. Killer whale is the answer I was looking for. Brilliant. Well, Aisha Siddiqa, could you answer the next one? Go ahead, unmute and speak up, Aisha. Yeah, go. Speak up, Aisha. I can hear you. Tell the answer, Aisha.
Cola.
Koala bear. Why do you say koala, Aisha? Just like that, it's a cute animal. I love koala, Aisha. Hussein, Mansoor, can you answer anything else other than koala?
Crocodile.
Why do you say crocodile?
Because crocodile is an amphibian.
Okay, your guessing was wrong, but the answer is right. The answer is crocodile. Koala and rhinos are endangered animals. They are endangered, as if people, because of the Australian fire and killing of the rhino for the horn, they're endangered. But crocodile is still relatively safe. The answer is crocodile. All right. Okay, Zayan wants to answer the next one. Unmute and speak up.
The answer is mirror.
Correct answer. Oh, mirror, you said. Hamza wants to answer. Hamza? Yes, Hamza, I've unmuted you. Go ahead. Go unmute yourself, Hamza, and answer, please.
Sir, mirror.
Oh, mirror is a wrong answer, Hamza. The answer is window. Window is transparent. Others reflect light. Windows is transparent. Window is the right answer. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is my mistake. I was thinking of my answer. Yes, Faisal, I'm so sorry. Yeah,
right.
Thank you. Mirror. All right. Hamza and Hussein, I am sorry. The quizmaster's mistake. I was thinking of it. Mirror is the right answer. See, you are better than me already. Mirror is the right answer. I said my reasoning is correct, but the answer is mirror. Okay, the last two ones for this round. Inaya wants to answer. Inaya wants to unmute and answer. Yeah, Inaya.
I think the answer is carrot.
Wow, and I love your thinking. Why do you say that, Inaya? Inaya is right. Answer is carrot. While all of these are actually good source of protein and carbohydrates, but carrot is the odd one. You cannot eat fish, and actually people eat fish and egg raw, but carrot is the vegetarian source is what we are asking for. So carrot is the right answer. Let's go to my last one in this round. Which is the odd one out? Who would like to answer? Atif, go ahead and answer. Unmute, Atif.
Harry Potter,
Harry Potter. Why do you say Harry Potter?
because these both stories are about like Harry Potter is the only fiction story.
All right. I like your answer. The way you answered fiction, non-fiction, wonderful. The rest of the two are Nobel Prize winner. Abhijit Banerjee and Malala Yousafzai have won Nobel Prize. Well, Harry Potter has not won any Nobel so far. So wonderful. You got 20 points here. 20 questions are done. Hopefully, let me see if you have, how many of you are doing good on 20? All right. Faisal sir, you are going to get 65 answers running across to you. Almost 60 participants are there. So be prepared for a huge of WhatsApp messages. Then we'll sort it out and we'll give you a certificate based on your answers. But let's enjoy the quiz until then. Let's go to the last one. Is it going good, guys? The odd one out was the little one. So right now I go to my last round. Right? I call it the Zuhair and the Safia round. Right? It's the country round. So the first question, I will let you answer, Zuhair. This is the one. What is Brazil famous for? Unmute and speak up. Is he there? Rehan wants, Zuhair, go ahead. I'm allowing you to answer first. No, Rehan Sheikh wants to answer. Ibrahim, I'll come to you. 1 minute. Rehan Sheikh, answer. Rehan, unmute. Okay, I'm not able to unmute. Zuhair, I can see that. I'll help you out. 1 minute. Rehan, 1 minute, Rehan. Don't, yeah, go ahead. Give the answer.
Coffee.
Coffee. Let me see. Was it cheese? Oh, if you said cheese, why didn't you say chocolate, Rehan? Coffee is the right answer. Very good. The correct answer is coffee. All right, Zuhair, I'll try and unmute you. There was a problem last time as well when we did that. But let's see. Ibrahim Aqua, can you tell me the answer? Japanese invention. Wait a minute. Ibrahim Aquaman.
Muhammad wants to answer.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
So sir, the answer is Nintendo.
Ibrahim, I didn't hear you from you.
I wanted to answer.
Yeah, what is the answer, Ibrahim?
Okay. Nintendo.
Oh, but is that a right answer?
Yes.
No,
Everyone.
it's scissor.
No, Nintendo is the right answer. Scissors and camera would be wrong answers. That's good. 1 minute. Saina. Saina, can I go to you? Unmute yourself. All right, Saina. Russia has the largest of what?
I think it's forest.
You think it's forest? All right. Hold on. Let me try and unmute. Zuhair, I can see your actions, but somewhere, yeah, you must try to use a different device next time. Go ahead. Now you unmuted. Please tell me the answer.
So it's lakes because Russia has one of the largest lakes in the world.
Let me try that out. Lakes. Oh, Zuhair, it's not lakes. Canada is a country of lakes. You are right about the largest lake, but Russia has the largest area is the question. That is forest. It's okay. It is the forest that I was looking for. Good enough. Faisal, you want to try anyone else? Faisal, sir, who wants to answer now?
I don't see any hands. Okay, Aisha Kazi wants to answer.
Go ahead, Aisha Kazi.
Football.
Football. Oh, right answer. She knows Mustafa very well. Safia says, I told you, Juwaria, and that's the answer. All right. Can I have Saad and Sufyan from Qatar answering this? What character comes from the Norwegian folklore? Pixies, gnomes, or troll?
Gnomes.
Gnomes. Ah, let me try. Is it gnomes? Oh, no, it's not gnomes. So it has to be trolls. That is the word you use when somebody is disturbing you online. They're called trolling now. That's the word troll comes from. Okay, I don't see Batul, but can you unmute and speak up, Batul, for the next answer? Mexico is famous for what? Batul, what do you like to eat?
Tacos.
Tacos. Ah, Mexico has tacos, Batul. But no, it's not tacos. Let me go to someone who's not. Amina and Aisha Aga, can you unmute and tell me? I'll go to the non.
Okay, Amina and
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Are you sure, Amina? So many cheeses that your dad and you love to eat? Let me check. Oh, that's the right answer. It is the mozzarella. Wonderful, girls. Doing great. All right. Fasiha Anjum, would you like to answer this one, Fasiha? The Madagascar answer. Unmute and speak up. Fasiha.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me. Great.
Yes, it is lemon.
It's lemur. Let me
Yeah.
check. All right, Fasiha. Lemur is the right answer. Doing great, Fasiha. Okay. Iceland has 200 of what? Hamad Ahmed, do you want to answer, Hamad? Can you unmute and answer?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Hamad. What's the answer?
Volcanoes.
Volcanoes. Let's see. Do Juveria Puthawala also thinks the same answer? Juveria, would you like to unmute? Other Juveria. Juveria Puthawala. There are only two Juveria in the world I know with the same spelling now. Juveria wants to answer? Unmute. All right.
Sister Juveria is a guest.
Oh, Sister Juveria.
She's
All
not a
right,
participant.
mashallah. Okay, I am. Okay, the exit. So I do have my Patels with me. Abdullah, would you like to answer? Why is Abdullah, your camera's off? Focusing on your answer?
Volcanoes.
All right.
I can see so many hands up.
Yeah, when the camera's off, then you know, the ones with cameras off, I hope you're not Googling. I trust you with that answer for sure. All right, good answer. Volcanoes is what Iceland is known for. Okay, this is for Mudabbir and Sakleen. Sakleen and Mudabbir, unmute and give the answer. What music comes from Jamaica? Sakleen Sayyed and Mudabbir Khan. Have they gone out for having the tea? I don't see my friends out there. All right, Sufyan Siraj or Usman Jahangir, the ones whose camera's off, I want them to answer. I don't see them as well. All right, very quickly, can I go to someone here? Fauzan wants to answer. Go ahead, Fauzan. So this is the last two answers. Yeah, Fauzan, tell me. Tell me 1, 2 or 3. Tell me, your fingers are good enough for me. Fauzan, what do you think? 1, 2 or 3? I can't see your... Yeah, Fauzan. Now.
Answer is reggae.
Really? Are you sure? He looks like Faisal, sir? That's why you gave the answer? Brilliant answer. Wonderful. Let's end up with our champion quiz master of the previous year, rather this year, January. Yahya Rizwani, what's the last answer?
Wildebeest.
Wildebeest. Oh, yeah, we got it wrong this time. What's the answer? Can I go? All right, let me go back. Safia Waid wants to answer. Okay, I'll allow you this time. Unmute and speak up, please. Unmute, please. Okay. Abdullah Sajid did not answer. Someone's muted. Abdullah Sajid wants to answer. Very and Safia, you are still muted. Wildebeest is the wrong answer. Abdullah Sajid says, what's the answer? Okay, I'm getting some audio noises here. The answer is Springbok. The answer is the deer on the extreme red Springbok. And that ends your quiz here. Again, the hub schooling is what we are doing. Quickly add up your score and we will check out what you have done.
One correct answer, 1 mark.
Yes. One answer, 1 mark. So out of 30, add up your answer. Tell me how many. Yes.
Number 27.
Send your. Okay. Yeah, Zuhair, you can use the chat and ask the question to me and I'll answer in the chat. Inaya wants to ask a question. Inaya, 1 minute, I'll help you out.
23.
Yeah, Inaya. 1 minute, Inaya, I couldn't hear you. 1 minute.
23.
The chat is disabled.
But I will do the chat one. You can use the chat only for the host.
Sir,
Right. Yes, tell me.
I want the answer of question number 16.
Tell me the question and I'll tell you. Tell me the choice and I'll tell you the answer.
Round 2, question number 6. Sorry.
No, what is the what answer have you written? And I'll tell you it's right or wrong.
Orca.
Orca is the right answer.
Oh, yes.
Okay, great. Inaya, what was your question?
Sir,
The last
It's
answer.
21. Sir, my
number
marks is
10 what's
21.
answer?
The last answer was Harry Potter.
The second round first of last answer is
All right.
second round last answer is Harry Potter.
1 minute, 1 minute. I think the last answer of this one is Spring Book. It is Spring Book. All right. The last answer is Spring Book. SPRING Spring Book. Yeah.
10th one, is it Madonna?
All right. So now whatever you got, you've done brilliant. Now I will mute everybody. Now you have 1 minute. I'm sorry. Now we already I hope you learned about SDG, which was the goal of this quiz. And whatever you answered, it's okay. It doesn't matter. But now all those who answer 20 and above, send your snapshot to Faisal sir. I think I'll allow you. Everybody can send a snapshot, Faisal sir. You will have a little deluge of 60 answers with you. But what we'll do is we'll divide ourselves. Orko is the answer. No, okay.
I've already started receiving sheets. Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead. Just send your answers to Faisal sir. Everybody who sends the sheet will get a certificate from us for participating in the SDG quiz. That itself is an achievement for all of you. And for the Golden Sparrow students, you can send the answers in the group. Don't send answer to Faisal sir, Golden Sparrow, because we don't want him to be completely, flooded with answers. Golden Sparrow students, send the answer in the Nest group, please. All right. Batul, Safia, Aisha, Ibrahim, Yahya.
Sir,
Yes, if you have
I
sent.
want to ask.
Rehan,
I want to ask one thing.
Rehan, 1 minute, please.
Sir, which group, sir?
Nest group, NEST Nest group.
Okay.
Nest group, all the Golden Sparrows, if you have sent answer to Faisal sir, delete your document there and send it to Nest group. Okay? Yeah, Sufyan.
Sir.
Sufyan, I'm allowing you. Rehan, only Rehan.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Yes, Rehan, go ahead, Rehan.
Sir, what is the answer of round 2, third?
Rehan, what have you written?
I written bulb.
Bulb is the wrong answer, Rehan. Candle is the right answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mohammed.
Sir, you don't have to send it on Faisal sir in the Google Classroom.
Yes. Everybody, please listen to my instructions again, my friend. For all Golden Sparrow will send their answers to Nest. Okay? So all of you, right? And rest of you who don't know what Golden Sparrow Nest is, send your answers to Faisal sir.
Doubts are 20. You have to send.
No, every answer, even if you got two, you will get your certificate of participation. Yes, tell me. Aisha?
We have to ask scores in the Nest group or right
Nest.
group.
Aisha, Nest. Send in Nest. Okay?
Uploaded in Let's Go.
For the 10th one is the answer Madala.
All right, everybody. Any other question? Sir, hopefully you enjoyed the quiz. I'm going to play a video. We are not done. I'll play a little video for you before we end. All right, everybody? Let's.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is it Madala for the 10th
Can
one?
you tell the answer for question 22, please?
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
Answer for question 22.
Tell me the answer you've written because I don't remember the question. Tell me the answer what you've written.
Nintendo.
Nintendo is the right answer. Absolutely.
Next, it is written that only admins can send.
Okay, I will change it. Thank you so much, Yahya, for doing that. I will change it, and that's perfect for all of you.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Ask a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's take the last question.
Sir,
Unfortunately, there's too much of noise. No, it is Denmark. And I think if you've not got the answer, I'll accept it since your papers are anyway coming to us. We will do a re-evaluation. I'm going to mute everybody now. All right. And we will see a little video on how.
okay, sir.
And we're gonna end.
Something.
All right. I'm sorry. You can call me, message me if it's very important. I'll take your calls there. But we're going to end up with this lovely video of Steve Jobs of the dream school that the hub schooling is all about. You can ask us about what hub schooling is, and we'll end our talk.
A school on cloud. Perhaps Steve was too early for his time. But I don't know if he were today, would he be on cloud 9? Seeing the entire school system online. The learning that's happening, Zooming our lives, Google Classrooms, meetups, and everything that a student is doing from the comfort of the house. Yes, the online world is more real than it ever was. Imagine the power of school now at the very homes. And this is true what we are calling the hub schooling. To be able to connect, to laugh, to revise, rewatch the lessons, have fun, and still not miss out on the learning. This is what hub schooling is about. For hub schoolers, this is an everyday reality. They do hi-fi virtually, they shake hands and they smile, and then they enjoy the learning through every academic process that we know of. Just take the example of Zayan, our own Mr. 360-degree, the self-professed ABD fan. That's AB de Villiers for those who do not know. He is witty, smart and articulate. So what do the hub schooling do? Using his cricket aptitude, the teachers have created curated lesson plans on maths where the pitches explain parallel lines and run rates teach equations. Hold on, there is more. In social, he learns about Kashmir willow used to make the best bats in the world, and why are New Zealanders called the Kiwis and the South Africans the Springbok. Zayan reads biographies of his favorite cricketers to prepare for an English lesson, and keeps up with the best diet in the science class so he's fit for the real life matches. Welcome to the world of hub schooling, and explore and ask us what are the hub schooling sessions. Reach us at goldensparrow_unschool@gmail.com.
Thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. We had a lovely answer and hope you learn about SDG. All the best and bye-bye. Please do not call the number. Please do not put the answer there. Yes, Aisha. Yes. Please do not call Brother Faisal. Just send a WhatsApp to him. All right? Thank you and all the best, and become an SDG activist. I think hopefully you enjoyed. You can give a thumbs up before we leave, everybody. Yeah, Umar, I can see you all. Hafsa, you love hub schooling? You should join it now. All right, Zayan, all the best. That was your name also. Fauzan, everybody, Inaya, and all of you, all the best. Take care. Be good to your parents and to yourself. Bye-bye. Thank you, Ibrahim, all the way. I love that as well. See you. Assalam.